Let's confirm a product selection upgrade and send an invoice in under 2 minutes with Graditi. Let's go. Give your clients the white glove experience they want and deserve. When your client logs into their personalized project dashboard, they see everything they need and nothing they don't. Pending selections are clearly marked with a red icon. To begin confirming selections, your client simply clicks Select Products. Upgrade options are clearly labeled, and clients can even compare products side by side. This comparison view makes it easier than ever for your clients to confidently choose the right product. Once a selection is made, clients are shown a detailed summary, including any balance owing, like in our upgrade example here. To finalize, the client confirms their selection with a digital signature, and you're instantly notified. Now we can view the confirmed selection and issue an invoice for the upgrade balance owing. Back in our admin view, we can click on the notification bell in the top right to quickly access and view the confirmed selection. Here we can see the details and client signature for this selection. If needed, you can download this as a PDF using the 3 dots on the top right. To generate an invoice, we will click the 3 dots and choose Create Invoice. The invoice is auto-filled with the selection details, but you can add or adjust the details as needed. Just follow the 4 simple steps to send it. And just like that, your client has upgraded and you're well on your way to getting paid. Simple, fast, Graditi.